Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download UnitedHealthcare mobile app, registration guide step by step clearly. Open your device's App Store. If you are using an iPhone, access the Apple App Store. For Android users, navigate to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type UnitedHealthcare. Look for the official UnitedHealthcare app in the search results. Tap on the app to view its details. Check the app's ratings and reviews to ensure you have the correct app. Once confirmed, click on the download or install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the UnitedHealthcare app icon on your home screen. Tap the app icon to open it. You will be greeted with the app's welcome screen. Select the register or sign up option. Enter the required personal information, such as your name and email address. Create a secure password that meets the app's requirements. Provide your UnitedHealthcare member ID, which can be found on your insurance card. Follow any additional prompts to complete your registration. Review the terms and conditions, then accept them. Once registration is complete, you will receive a confirmation email. Return to the app and log in using your newly created credentials. Take a moment to explore the app's features and functionalities. Congratulations, you have successfully registered for the UnitedHealthcare mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.